Hey Go High Lovers, in this video we will be discussing about Apollo. We all know that Apollo is a great CRM, and let's see what value is being provided by Apollo in Go High Level account. We have to install it first. To do that, so you have to find for the app marketplace in the navigation bar and find for Apollo from here. Let's install. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts and you can choose them all. If you choose them all, you can also enable automatic feature installation as well. But right now we will be just choosing our specific sub account, that is just a test. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. The next step will be just configuring our Apollo into our GeoGebra account. The agency level, you can also see that it is installed. Let's find for the sub account. We are on our sub account level now, and we have to just get our app configured. You can find for the app configuration from the navigation bar from here and search for the app. Get it configured from here. Here is what we need is the API key. To do that, so we have to sign up our Apollo account. And in the developer section, you can find for the API key. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our Apollo.io account, and as you can see, I have already settled with the sign up section, and now I am in the developers section. You can find it from developers.apollo.io, and from here you can just find for the API keys in the navigation bar and create your own new API key. If you choose this one, or you can also just set some limitations from here as well, but both cannot be run parallel. Create your API key from here. As you can see, it is created from here. Just copy paste from here to there. Just paste it. And head towards the automations down from here. To find out what actions are being provided by Apollo and what value is actually being provided by them. Let's just create a workflow. We are in our workflow builder. Let's just find for the actions given by Apollo. These are the variety of actions that are provided by Apollo for workflows. You can just create your contact, create an opportunity, create account, and create task. You can update them. You can just view pure opportunity. You can just update the opportunity, the account, and even get the task. Let's just test any of these actions one by one and find out how they work. I'm back in the sub-account level now. In the automations, I have already created some workflows. Let me show you how I have created them and how they work actually. As you can see, in the workflow, I have just settled an example that it's if somebody just submits a form, the account is created from here. You can just enter the basic details, the name, the domain. This is just for setting an example. The phone number using custom values. Save this one. I have already created a condition that if the user is certified or something like it fulfills the criteria, it will be just created a new user or an account. After that, if it happens, we are using the create task from Apollo. In this one, I have used the custom values from here, the user ID from here, and the contact ID. The priorities, it is a drop down. You can just set the priorities accordingly. For the task, the due date for the task type, and the status for that it's a key or completed. Also, you can add some notes in the end of the task as well. In the end, If everything goes well, the email will be gone to him that you have created successfully an account. With the email format, I have used these custom values with the account ID, with the account status as well, using the custom values as mentioned before. And if not, in the else condition, I have also settled an email that you have to just contact the support again. Now let's save and test the workflows. As you can see, both of the actions given by Apollo are being executed successfully, the create account and the create task. With the email, with the conditions, everything is sorted from here. Let's add another example for the other remaining actions as well. Back in the automations, now just test for create contact and create opportunity. We will be creating another scenario from here. I have already created a workflow. If somebody just submits a form, the contact will be created, and after the conditions, the opportunity will be also there before the conditions. First, by submitting the form, you can just create the contact into your account, and after that, there will be an opportunity created as well. You can just name it according to your needs with the notes. I am using the custom values from here. Power for workflows, create contact, and the contact ID from here. And with the status, the opportunity status. This is here. Also, I have created some notes. With that, in the end, I have just settled a condition. If everything goes well, I will be sending the email to him that your contact is created successfully with the custom values and the creator ID, the opportunity status as well. If not, in the else condition, you can contact the support department. Now let's test. The contact created here will be also created parallel way in the Apollo account as well, and the opportunity will be created here as well. So now let's check on what's inside the notes practically. The sub-account level in the contact section, on which contact we have sent the notes. As you can see, the contact ID and the opportunity status is updated here as well. With that, so that's how it works basically. The other remaining actions will be using with the custom values, and you can just update them according to your needs, and the uses are endless there. Hope you like it. Lucas is signing out. Thank you so much.